Hey, babies. So my brother was out here mowing and he found 2 baby birds. There's one there and there's one there. My aunt's an expert on this stuff. We called her to see if she would know what to do and we couldn't get a hold of her. But, yeah, my brother just came out and found these guys. And their mama knows they're missing. I can hear her. The house to get some stuff for the little birds, and I came back out and they were gone. They're not there anymore. And then I went over here to try to find them, and one of them is still on the ground over here somewhere. He's over here somewhere. I don't know where he went now, but oh, there he is. I see him. Alright, so there's the one, and I just found the other one too. It's back in here. Right by that pine cone. They're both here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. My aunt hasn't got back to me yet, but I don't know. And there's a Tater over there. I'm gonna have to get him out here. Tater! Get out of here! Tater! Get out of here! Get out of here! Oh, come here. Go over there and stay over there, please. Mama's right there. She sees the babies. She knows they're here. She doesn't know what to do, I don't think. She knows they're here. Don't mind the mower in the background. My brother just started up mowing again, but there's one of the little babies right there. The other one's back in that back corner somewhere, I think so. But I don't want to get too close because Mama's here. Mama's right up there.